it.
I want to give a shout out to my mom.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Oh, it's actually recording. I thought you were kidding. Are you serious?
Hold on. Dude, it smells so fucking good in here.
That was like too close. Like we should do one video of Fred.
Let's go kill ourselves before we die.
Hey, Fred! Hey, Fred! Oh, Sunday now. It's a tornado. Oh my God, for real.
Kill ourselves before we die.
Dude, this is crazy. Go commit suicide. I'm like, oh my God, it moved here. It moved. And now it's gone from over there. That's punishing us. Who did it? Who did it? Who did it? I forgot that it was during recording, so you see me like pointing down.
It doesn't make a difference.
That's what he was saying.
Alright, wait.
We should get 1, 2, 3 here. We should do. You're beatboxing me, Sayo. Just try to make her hold it up. Hey, Fred. Hey, my mom's missing. So you guys see that one? She looked so high before I put the picture on. The thingy on. Not the picture.
Well, I bet Jenny knows what it feels like to get high.
I bet you do too.
No, I don't. I'm a high virgin.
Burn out.
I'm above the influence.
We're all above the influence.
Funny as fuck.
Who's behind me? Stop! I just noticed I'm still recording. Okay, you can say bye. Everybody say bye. Say bye. Bye.
Bye. Fuck out of here.
Look at that one. He doesn't even wave. Wave. Wave.
Get the fuck out of here.
Dude, it's fucking windy. How do you end this?
I just go, hey guy, what the fuck are you doing?
Oh my God.
Oh.
Penis.